Assalamu alaikum. Last Friday night around 12:18 a.m., when the room was dark and everyone else was asleep, you felt it. That strange heaviness after doing something you knew you shouldn't have done. No one saw you, no one called you out, no money left your bank account, but something left your chest. Peace. Sin is expensive, not because Allah needs your obedience, not because He benefits from your discipline, but because you pay for sin with parts of yourself. Allah did not create rules randomly. He did not list do's and don'ts as a test of control. Every command in the Quran is protection. Every prohibition is prevention. When Allah forbids lying, it is because lies slowly erode trust. When He forbids cheating, it is because betrayal fractures soul. When He forbids zina, it is because it confuses hearts and destroys families. When He warns against pride, it is because arrogance isolates you from humility and gratitude. When He forbids jealousy, it is because comparison poisons contentment. Sin is never just an action, it is damage. Sometimes the damage is obvious, sometimes it is quiet. You become more anxious, your heart feels harder, your dua feels distant, your salah feels heavy, your patience shortens, your relationship strained, and you wonder why. Allah's anger towards sin is not cruelty, it is care. A mother warns her child about fire not because she hates the child, but because she knows what burns feel like. Sin promises pleasure, but it delivers restlessness. It promises freedom, but it creates addiction. It promises satisfaction, but it leaves emptiness. Everything the Quran labels as a sin is something Allah is trying to shield you from. His desire for you is not restriction, it is a harmony. Harmony with Him, harmony within yourself, harmony with people around you. When you disobey, it is not that Allah loses, you do. Because sin slowly distances you from the source of peace. And the most dangerous part, it becomes normal. The guilt fades, the heart adjusts. What once felt heavy becomes casual. That is the real cost. But here is the mercy. Every time you turn back, the loss stops. Every sincere tawbah restores what was damaged. Allah does not hold your past over your head. He invites you back before the damage becomes deeper. Sin is expensive, but repentance is priceless. Choose wisely what you invest in.